Hello, today we will guide you through how to send GIFs in Slack. In this short walkthrough, you'll learn the simplest way to add a bit of fun and expression to your conversations using Slack's built-in GIF picker. We'll move through the interface step by step so you know exactly where to click and what to expect. Start by opening Slack and navigating to the workspace where you want to post. From the left sidebar, choose Home to make sure you're viewing your full list of channels and conversations. This view keeps everything organized and ensures the main message pane is front and center. Next, select the channel where you want to share your GIF. Pick the conversation that makes the most sense for your message, whether that's a team channel, a project space, or a direct message thread. Opening the correct conversation now helps you preview your GIF in the right context before sharing it with others. Move your cursor down to the message field at the bottom of the screen. This is the box where you usually type your messages. To the left of that field, look for the small plus icon. This button opens the attachment and shortcut menu, which includes options for files, apps, and of course, GIFs. Click the plus icon. A menu will appear with several choices. Select the GIF option. Depending on your workspace, this may open a GIF picker powered by a service like Giphy. If you don't see a GIF option, it could be disabled by your admin or not yet added to your workspace. In that case, check your workspace's app permissions or ask an admin for help before continuing. Once the GIF picker opens, browse the suggestions or use the search bar to find the perfect reaction or mood. Think about tone and audience. GIFs work best when they're relevant, inclusive, and appropriate for the channel's purpose. When you find one you like, click it to select. Slack will place the GIF into your message area so you can confirm it looks right within the conversation thread. In many setups, you'll see a quick preview in the channel, making it easy to confirm your choice at a glance. That's all there is to it. By selecting your channel, opening the message box, choosing the plus icon, tapping GIF, and picking a sample you like, you've added a playful visual to your Slack conversation with just a few clicks. If you want to keep things snappy and professional, choose GIFs that support your message rather than distract from it, and be mindful of accessibility and company guidelines. You now know how to send GIFs in Slack. Enjoy bringing a little personality to your team's chats.